Good afternoon. It's a Sunday afternoon. My son called me up and said, "What are you doing?" I said, "Nothing." He says, "Well, come over and we'll do some forging." He's the master forger. Say hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike.
So he's going to teach me all I need to know about blacksmithing.
Yeah, right. Not that good yet.
Should be fun. It's a good way to spend your Sunday afternoon without spending any money.
Here's a fountain
Like
sparks
that.
for you.
Holy smoly!
That's a little war.
Whoa!
I have made fire.
That's like 4th of July all over. That's incredible. So we have the forge, as you can see. Now we have, I wouldn't know what you'd call these, anvils.
They're hunks of metal that I call anvils.
That you can create your knives and stuff with. Alright, next we're going to pound on the metal, which is called
Hammering the metal.
hammering the metal. Yes, in the most technical terms possible. It's gotten hot.
Got a nice orange glow to it. You don't want to get too hot. Right now what I'm doing is called drawing out the metal. I'm basically squishing it down so the shaft gets longer. Finished tempering my tomahawk, and I'm going to harden the tip here so it stays nice and sharp. The way you do that, you just quench it, and that turns it about as hard as you can possibly get it. It stays a bit brittle, but you know, that's not the side you're chopping with. There we go. That's a tomahawk.
So from spike to tomahawk. One and the same piece of metal, one has been blacksmithed out. Pretty cool, huh?